Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cooking oils. And let me tell you, some of you are screwing this up big time. Choosing the right oil can make a bloody difference in your cooking and, more importantly, your health. Stick around to find out which oils you should be using in your kitchen for a healthier lifestyle because, frankly, some of the stuff you're using is about as appealing as a burnt pan.
First up, we've got extra virgin olive oil. This, my friends, is the real deal. Not that tasteless rubbish some of you try to pass off as olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is packed with antioxidants, which are like little ninjas that fight off harmful things in your body. They're your allies in the battle against heart disease. And trust me, you want them on your side. This oil is your ticket to a Mediterranean diet. And let's be honest, those Mediterraneans know how to live. They're out there enjoying life with their healthy hearts and vibrant flavors. And you can too with a good glug of extra virgin olive oil. Don't even think about using that light olive oil garbage. It's been stripped of all the good stuff. Go for the real deal extra virgin and thank me later.
Next up is avocado oil. Now this one is a bit of a dark horse, but don't let that fool you. It's got a high smoke point, which means you can crank up the heat without it turning into a toxic nightmare. We're talking stir fries, searing the lot, and don't even get me started on the monounsaturated fats. These good fats are like the superheroes of the oil world, helping to lower bad cholesterol and keep your heart ticking like a well-oiled machine. Avocado oil is also packed with vitamin E, which is like a spa day for your skin. So ditch the greasy, unhealthy oils and upgrade to avocado oil. Your heart and your taste buds will thank you for it.
Chapter 3. Now let's talk about coconut oil. This bad boy has had its ups and downs in the health world, but let me tell you, it deserves a second chance.
It's got these things called medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, for those of you who don't want to sound like a broken record. These MCTs are like the express train to Energy Town, bypassing the usual fat storage depots in your body. They're metabolized quickly, giving you a quick burst of energy without weighing you down.
Some folks reckon coconut oil can even help with weight loss, but don't go thinking you can swap your gym membership for a jar of coconut oil just yet. It's all about balance, you donkey. Chapter 4. Now, for all you health nuts out there, flaxseed oil is your new best friend.
This oil is bursting with omega-3 fatty acids. You know, the good fats that everyone's raving about. They're like the VIP guests at the heart health party, keeping your ticker in tip-top shape. But that's not all, folks. Flaxseed oil is also a champion when it comes to fighting inflammation. It's like a fire extinguisher for your insides, calming things down and keeping things running smoothly.
So if you're looking for an oil that can do it all, look no further than flaxseed oil, the overachiever of the oil world. Chapter 5. Last but not least, we have sesame oil, the flavor powerhouse of the oil world.
This oil is not messing around when it comes to taste. It's got this rich, nutty flavor that can elevate your dishes from bland to bam. But it's not just about the taste, folks. Sesame oil also has some impressive health benefits up its sleeve. It's been said to lower blood pressure, which is good news for your heart. And let's not forget about its antioxidant properties, those little ninjas that keep your cells happy and healthy.
So, if you're looking to add a punch of flavor and a dose of health to your cooking, sesame oil is the way to go. So there you have it, you lot, my top picks for the healthiest cooking oils. Remember, the oil you choose can make a big difference in your health and the taste of your food. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and cooking advice. Let us know in the comments which oil you'll be trying next. Now go forth and cook like you give a damn.